Hello guys, I'm Shekhar and you're watching TechInc. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you install APK files on your Android device. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, you will need an APK file no matter how big it is and how complex it is. So let it get downloaded. So I have downloaded an APK file of 8-ball hole right now. Now once you have installed the APK file, now you just need to go to your Google Play Store and search for Solid File Manager. And you just need to install it. Now once you have installed it, open the Solid Explorer. Now accept all the terms. Follow from these sources. Now go to your download folder and click on the APK you have installed it now, or you need to install the APK file. Now download it by using package installer. Now click on the package installer and allow only once. It does require app permissions, just allow them and click on the install button. Now the app will begin to install on your device and you will now see that the APK file is now converted into an app and it is now available on your device. Now you can see that it has been updated on your device. So this is how you can convert any APK files and install them using a Solid File Explorer. So this was all for the today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So for all of that and more, I will see you in the next video. So this was all for the today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So for all of that and more, I will see you in the next video.